All right, well, Halloween right around the corner, and I wish we had better news for some of you. Guess what? Trick-or-treaters, beware. You're in store for a bit of a scare, some of you anyhow. Coastal storm that we've been tracking set up to spin along the eastern seaboard. It's still in the forecast. Could see some showers beginning by Wednesday for the southeast, eventually hitting the northeast, right into New England, the mid-Atlantic. And this is Halloween. In some spots, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall expected. And the system, it's like a two-parter, if you will. A lot of the energy beginning over the Pacific Northwest dives down to the south. It's amplified by this jet that's going to dive down to the south as well. That jet, by the way, is going to be part of our buffer from Melissa for the United States. So no impacts from Melissa as far as landfall. This trough is going to take that away. Meantime, today, we've got some high pressure that's in place right over portions of Canada, and that's keeping us a bit cool for the morning hours. You wake up this morning, you step outside, and you're like, I need a couple of layers here. It lifts out, it opens the door, the jet stream starts to just allow more in the way of that colder air to come through. It almost cuts off this area of low pressure. Then it kind of does cut off, continues its journey. We'll watch this by Thursday. Now, by the time we get into Wednesday and Thursday, you're looking at the potential for some heavy rainfall over portions of the southeast. Perhaps some severe storms. We'll watch that one with you as well. But look at the rainfall totals. And this is going to be significant for some of not only the lower incline areas, but also for the high country. This is going to be for portions of the Appalachians. You look at West Virginia and Virginia as well as far as rainfall. This is going to take us through Thursday, and some of the estimates as high as 3 inches. But look how widespread of an effect this storm is having. From the plains all the way to the eastern seaboard, widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain when this is said and done. Here comes the front. Look what it does. We've got this area of low pressure starts to deepen, taps into some very warm, humid conditions on Wednesday. We'll see some of that rain add up across the south and southeast in Florida, dealing with more in the way of rain. You've been dealing with some rain even yesterday. Now, Thursday, you're getting ready for Halloween. Halloween is on Friday. The rain already picks up, sees a few isolated showers and thunderstorms closer to the mid-Atlantic. And then on Friday, say it isn't so. Start to make plans, alternate plans for your costume, because a lot of you are going to get soaked Friday, especially across the Northeast and into New England. This is a look at the estimated rainfall totals Thursday through Saturday. Look at New York, the tri-state area through New England, 2 to 3 inches of rain. And yes, a lot of it the night of Halloween.